Hey there drone fans, in today's video I'd like to show you how you can use the new Dolly Zoom flight mode that DJI has added to the Flip drone with the latest version of the firmware. Now if you've never used Dolly Zoom before, it's a pretty cool cinematic effect. And you can add it to the custom slot on your Flip drone, and that way you can start it from a hand launch or through the application on your phone. And once you trigger Dolly Zoom, the drone will lift off your hand, fly away from you in a straight line, and as it's flying away it'll zoom in on you. And when it's flying back towards you to land, it zooms away from you. And what that does is keep you perfectly in the center of the frame in focus, but the background behind you will tilt away or tilt towards you, which is a really unsettling effect that can add some spice to your next video. Now, it's not a new effect. It was pioneered by Alfred Hitchcock a long time ago, and I think the first film he used it in was Vertigo. And when I saw that effect, it really had an impact on me. Now, you can do that on a normal drone if you're a really good pilot by flying away while zooming in, but getting that timing right can be a little bit tricky. The best part is, on the Flip, you can hit one button and it'll happen automatically. Now with this clip, the next portion, I'm going to show you actually how to configure that in the application. Then I'll show you a few examples of the Flip doing that Dolly Zoom so you can see exactly what it looks like, and then I'll come back with a few final thoughts. So stay tuned next for the tutorial. To get started, make sure that you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on your phone, and then open the DJI Fly application. Now you can power up your Flip. The application will detect that the drone is within range, and you can tap the connect button to control the drone. Next, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to join the network, and you can tap the join button to do this. This brings you to the main menu for the Flip, and there are really two areas here that are important. On the top, you'll see the current flight mode for the Flip, and on the bottom, the settings for that particular flight mode. We'd like to change these settings for the Dolly Zoom mode, so tap the settings icon on the bottom right of the screen. This brings you to the main settings page where you can make adjustments to the various flight modes on the drone. Since we'd like to add Dolly Zoom to the Customs option, simply click on the Customs tab on that particular screen. This will take you to the section of the application where you can decide which flight mode is activated when you choose the custom position from the drone. Right now it's set to Helix, and we'd like to change that to Dolly Zoom. To do this, click on that option, and that will bring up the settings menu for this particular flight mode. Here you can change various options that affect how the Dolly Zoom flies and records video. On the top, you can choose between three different perspectives: wide, full, or medium, to get the effect you want. You can also adjust the zoom range, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, and that will vary the vertigo effect. And then finally, you can also have the drone start close to you or fly away a little bit to start the recording. Once you've made your selections, you can simply tap the back button to exit the settings menu and start testing the Dolly Zoom feature. If you hand launch the drone, you'll now find that when you move to the customs option for flight modes on the drone, it'll actually say Dolly Zoom to confirm these settings. Now I'll show you a few examples of me having a little bit of fun with the new Dolly Zoom feature on the Flip drone. I hope those instructions and the examples were helpful, and I really like that Dolly Zoom feature, and I use it quite often in my videos to emphasize a particular situation. Now I know that Halloween's coming up in a couple of months, and if you're flying the Flip or one of the other drones that automatically does a Dolly Zoom, go out there and have a little bit of fun. Find an old scary house, dress up in your Halloween costumes, zoom away from you and do that Dolly Zoom while you're adding some scary music, and you'll have a pretty cool video to post. Anyway, that's all I had for today, but I did want to add that I'm constantly impressed with a company like DJI that releases a product a while ago, and they're still releasing new firmware that improves the product and adds new features. And that's pretty rare nowadays. Most companies will release a product with a given set of firmware and they'll move on to the next product. DJI has been constantly updating their firmware to keep products current, and again, introducing new features on those products when they can. So I like them a lot. I really like this Dolly Zoom feature a lot, and I hope you're having a great summer of flying. And that's all I had for today. So thanks an awful lot for watching. And again, until next time, happy flying.